Honda's miniMOTO lineup has redefined urban commuting and weekend fun, offering two distinct personalities in the Navi and Grom. While both bikes share a compact footprint and approachable price points, they cater to fundamentally different riders. One prioritizing effortless simplicity, the other rewarding hands-on engagement. This comparison breaks down 9 critical categories to help you decide which pint-sized powerhouse belongs in your garage. The Navi is powered by a 109cc air-cooled, single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, producing approximately 7.8 horsepower at 9,500 RPM, with a top speed around 55 miles per hour. It's a modest power plant designed for urban efficiency rather than thrills. In contrast, the Grom steps up with a 124cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, generating 9.6 horsepower at 7,250 RPM and 10.4 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM, pushing its top speed to roughly 62 miles per hour. The Grom's larger displacement and underscore design, 50.0mm bore by 63.1mm stroke, with a 10-to-1 compression ratio, deliver noticeably peppier acceleration and more confident highway-adjacent riding. While neither bike is built for interstate cruising, the Grom's extra power provides more usable performance for riders who occasionally need to keep pace with faster traffic. The Navi features an automatic V-matic continuously variable transmission with belt final drive, essentially twist-and-go operation that eliminates any learning curve. It's scooter simple, making it ideal for absolute beginners or riders who prefer to focus on traffic rather than gear selection. The Grom, however, uses a 5-speed manual transmission with a chain final drive, delivering a traditional motorcycle experience. The Grom's gearbox includes a 5th gear specifically for comfortable cruising, and the gear position indicator on the digital dash helps newer riders learn shifting patterns. For enthusiasts, the manual transmission transforms every commute into an engaging ride. For convenience seekers, the Navi's automation is unbeatable. The Navi retains a 16mm carburetor for fuel delivery. A simpler, older technology that keeps costs down, but sacrifices some refinement. Honda estimates the Navi at approximately 110 miles per gallon combined. The Grom, meanwhile, utilizes modern PGM-FI, programmed fuel injection, with a 24mm throttle body, offering more precise fuel metering, better cold start behavior, and improved throttle response. Despite its larger engine and more powerful performance, the Grom achieves an impressive estimated 134 miles per gallon, giving it both superior efficiency and a significantly larger 1.6-gallon fuel tank compared to the Navi's 0.9-gallon capacity. The Grom's range advantage means fewer stops at the pump during daily commutes. The Navi employs 130mm drum brakes at both ends with Honda's combined braking system, which is adequate for the bike's modest performance but lacks the immediate bite and fade resistance of disc brakes. The Grom comes standard with a 220mm front disc with a dual piston caliper and a 190mm rear disc with a single piston caliper, providing substantially stronger, more predictable stopping power. Additionally, the Grom offers an ABS variant that uses an IMU, inertial measurement unit, to prevent front-wheel lockup and maintain rear-wheel contact during aggressive braking. For riders prioritizing safety or planning to ride in wet conditions, the Grom's disc brakes and available ABS represent a meaningful upgrade. Both bikes feature inverted front forks and single rear shocks, but the Grom's components are more robust. The Navi uses a 26.8mm inverted fork with 3.5 inches of travel and a single rear shock with 2.8 inches of travel. The Grom steps up to a 31mm inverted fork with 3.9 inches of travel and a rear single shock with 4.1 inches of travel. The Grom's wider 120/70/12 front and 130/70/12 rear tires versus the Navi's 90/90/12 and 90/110 rear provide more grip and stability when cornering. The Grom's shorter 47.2-inch wheelbase, compared to the Navi's 50.6 inches, makes it feel more nimble and flickable in tight urban environments, while its superior suspension soaks up potholes and rough pavement more effectively. The Navi has a quirky retro scooter meets motorcycle appearance, with an analog speedometer and an integrated front storage compartment, a practical touch for carrying essentials. The Grom presents a sharp, modern, aggressive design with blacked-out engine, exhaust, wheels, and swing arm. Its fully digital LCD instrument cluster includes a speedometer, tachometer, gear position indicator, twin trip meters, fuel gauge, and clock. Perhaps most importantly, the Grom's 4 main body panels use a plug-and-play mounting system designed specifically for customization, supporting a massive aftermarket ecosystem of graphics, wraps, and accessories. The Grom SP Edition adds special matte black metallic paint and an undercowl, while the standard model comes in candy blue, pearl white, and cherry red. The Navi offers white, Arctic silver metallic, pearl red, and blue metallic. For daily utility, the Navi holds a distinct advantage with its integrated front storage compartment, perfect for phones, wallets, or small groceries. The Grom lacks built-in storage, though Honda offers accessories like cloth seat bags, rear carriers, and cloth saddlebags to add utility. Both bikes share an identical 30.0-inch seat height, allowing most riders to flat-foot easily at stops. The Navi's slightly heavier 234-pound curb weight versus the Grom's 224 pounds is negligible in practice, though the Grom feels more balanced due to its centralized mass and shorter wheelbase.
The Navi carries a manufacturer-suggested retail price of $2,199, plus a $300 destination charge, bringing the total to $2,499. The base Honda Grom starts at $3,599 plus $300 destination, $3,899 total, with the SP at $3,699 and ABS at $3,799. That represents roughly a $1,400 premium for the Grom. However, the Grom justifies its higher price with fuel injection, disc brakes, a 5th gear, superior suspension, LED lighting, and vastly greater customization potential. The Navi's value proposition is unbeatable for budget-conscious buyers seeking reliable transportation, while the Grom appeals to those willing to invest in a more capable, engaging machine with stronger resale value.
The Navi is purpose-built for beginners, urban commuters, and casual riders who want motorcycle styling without motorcycle complexity. Its automatic transmission and low price remove every barrier to entry. The Grom, meanwhile, has cultivated a global cult following since its 2014 introduction, with over 860,000 units sold worldwide. It appeals to experienced riders seeking a playful second bike, enthusiasts who love modifying and personalizing their machines, and beginners who want to learn proper riding skills on a forgiving platform. The Grom's 5-speed manual transmission teaches fundamental skills that transfer to larger motorcycles, while the Navi's CVT limits skill development. Choose the Navi if you prioritize affordability, simplicity, and hassle-free urban commuting above all else. At $2,199, it's one of the most accessible motorized two-wheelers on the market, and its automatic transmission makes it genuinely effortless to ride. However, if you seek a motorcycle that grows with your skills, rewards your engagement, and offers genuine customization potential, the Grom is worth every penny of its $3,599 asking price. With fuel injection, disc brakes, a 5-speed manual, and a thriving aftermarket community, the Grom delivers a more complete motorcycling experience. For pure transportation, the Navi wins. For pure fun, the Grom reigns supreme.